Adding a bathroom to a basement without breaking concrete comes down to one decision: the right upflush toilet system for the specific depth, use load, and install scenario of that floor. The wrong system for the lift height fails. The wrong system for the daily throughput requires early replacement. This comparison covers 5 basement upflush systems, from the lowest price entry point to the highest capacity residential unit available, each selected because it handles a specific basement installation scenario better than the alternatives at its price. Opening this comparison is the Saniflo Saniplus, the upflush pump with more verified residential installations documented on Amazon than any other product in this category. With 253 verified buyer ratings accumulated over years of basement bathroom additions across North America, the Saniplus provides the deepest real-world performance data available in the upflush category at this price. It is a full bathroom pump. 4 inlets handle a complete basement bathroom, toilet, wash basin, shower, and bathtub off a single unit. 9 feet of vertical lift means the basement floor can sit up to 9 feet below the sewer connection. Horizontal discharge reaches 100 feet from the stack, giving substantial routing flexibility across a basement floor plan. 4-year warranty, made in France, UL listed. The Saniplus is offered here as the pump-only unit, the appropriate choice when a buyer already has a toilet or prefers to source the bowl configuration separately. For a buyer entering the basement upflush category and looking for the most proven, most documented starting point, the Saniflo Saniplus is where that research consistently arrives. The Simple Project 600 watt is the lowest priced complete basement system on this list, and the only product here that integrates the macerating pump directly into the toilet unit rather than mounting a separate box adjacent to a conventional bowl. In a conventional upflush installation, the macerating unit sits beside the toilet. Visible, wall-mounted, connected by a short discharge pipe from the bowl's rear outlet. The Simple Project eliminates that external component. The pump is housed inside the toilet housing, and the entire system ships as a single one-piece unit. 3 inlets connect a toilet, sink, and shower to a single pump. The 600-watt motor discharges through a standard rear outlet connection with an AC vent included. At $699, the Simple Project represents the lowest available entry to a complete, self-contained basement upflush system with a documented buyer base, 58 verified purchasers at 4.5 stars, more purchase validation than any other sub-$700 upflush system currently on Amazon. For a homeowner adding a basement half or 3/4 bathroom at the most accessible price point and wanting a unit with no external macerating box to mount or conceal, the Simple Project is the relevant starting point in this comparison. The Liberty Pump's ASCENTII-ESW holds 2 distinctions that no other product in this comparison can claim. First, it is the only WaterSense certified upflush toilet system on this list. The macerating category has historically operated at 1.6 gallons per flush because higher water volume aids transport through the narrow 1-inch discharge pipe. The ASCENTII-ESW achieves WaterSense compliance at 1.28 gallons per flush in a macerating configuration, making it the only basement upflush system here that qualifies for the standard water efficiency threshold. Second, it is manufactured in the United States, where every other upflush system in this price range is produced overseas. The pump uses razor-cut technology, stainless steel blades replaceable with standard utility knife blades rather than proprietary parts, a significant long-term maintenance advantage for a basement installation. Vertical lift reaches 25 feet, the greatest below-grade reach of any product on this list, enabling basement floors that sit deeper than any other system here can serve. Horizontal discharge extends to 150 feet. IST solid-state switching replaces mechanical float switches, which are the most common service point in competing systems. Built-in alarm with LED indicators, an external touchpad for alarm silence, and manual override gives real-time operational status that the Saniflo products on this list do not include. For a buyer whose basement floor sits deeper than 9 feet, or whose priority is U.S. manufacturing and WaterSense compliance in a basement upflush system, the ASCENTII-ESW is the only product on this list that delivers both. The Saniflo Saniacces 3 Elongated Kit is the complete kit solution for basements that require more vertical lift than the standard 9-foot ceiling. It extends vertical reach to 15 feet, 6 feet beyond the Saniplus ceiling, and horizontal discharge to 150 feet. For a basement floor that sits 10, 12, or 14 feet below the sewer connection, this is the specified product. The Saniplus and most budget systems on this list cannot serve that installation regardless of price. the ASCENTI-ESW. 3 ships as a complete installation kit. Pump, elongated bowl, and tank in a single package, with 4 inlets for a full bathroom. Toilet, wash basin, shower, and bathtub. Dual access service panels on both sides allow cleaning and maintenance of the cutter assembly without disconnecting any plumbing, which is the most practical long-term service consideration for a basement installation where access is often limited. 3-year warranty. The elongated bowl provides standard residential comfort seating. The ASCENTI-ESW 3 elongated kit carries a 4.6-star buyer rating, the highest of any complete Saniflo full bath kit available, across verified residential basement installations. For a basement where the standard 9-foot lift ceiling is not sufficient, the ASCENTI-ESW 3 elongated kit is the complete, specified system to order. Closing this comparison is the Saniflo Sanibest Pro, the heavy-duty ceiling of the Saniflo residential lineup and the correct choice when the basement installation operates as a primary bathroom under heavy daily use. The Sanibest Pro shares the ASCENTI-ESW 3's 15-foot vertical lift and 150-foot horizontal discharge, but raises the daily throughput capacity to levels that the ASCENTI-ESW 3 and Saniplu are not designed to sustain. The relevant scenario is a basement bathroom that functions as the household's main bathroom, back-to-back morning showers, multiple users in sequence, or a rental or secondary dwelling situation where daily flush volume is comparable to a primary resident's primary bathroom. For those conditions, the Sanibest Pro is the specified product, not because it offers features that differ from the ASCENTI-ESW 3, but because its pump and macerating assembly are engineered for the higher daily cycle count that primary use loads generate. Complete kit, pump, elongated bowl, and tank. Full bath capable with 4 inlets. 4-year warranty, the longest standard warranty on this list. Made in France. For the deepest basement floor, the highest daily load, or the longest discharge run on this list, the Sanibest Pro is the correct closer. Those are 5 Upflush toilet systems for basement installations in 2026. From the Simple Project's $699 integrated entry to the Sanibest Pro's heavy-duty residential ceiling. Match the system to your basement depth first, 9 feet or under, the Saniplu or Simple Project cover standard installations. Between 9 and 15 feet, the ASCENTII-ESW or ASCENTI-ESW 3 are the appropriate systems. Heavy primary use load at any depth, the Sanibest Pro. Links to all 5 are in the description. If this comparison helped you identify the right system for your basement, give the video a like and subscribe.